Hey guys, welcome back to Charlie and me camping vlog. This is a BeeBaw van build update with thanks to our friends at Gary's Glue who sponsored the van build videos. I said I'd keep you updated, so this Wednesday video is just an update on the BeeBaw. It is February 2022 and a week or so ago, Charlie and me and the Camping Crew podcast announced that we were having our meetup to a Tree Grove Caravan and Camping Park in April of this year. And it sold out within a week. All the pictures are gone. But I also mentioned on Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, that weekend I was going to put the BeeBaw up for sale. We were going to have it at the meetup and you guys could come along and see it. And then it was going on done deal for sale. I went away in it the weekend just gone with Charlie. We went down and did Fermoy, Cove and Middleton. And I just love driving it, so I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it anytime soon. I'm definitely not selling it in April. So it needs a few little things. The diesel heater is breaking my heart. And I'm actually thinking of taking it out and buying one of the Chinese diesel heaters. This came with a diesel heater fitted. It comes on when it flipping feels like coming on. You used to have to start the engine and then switch on the heater and then you could turn off the engine, but after 10 minutes it would go off. So I bypassed that and you can now turn it on and it turns on. It's like a motor sticking and there's a bad patch. It turns on now and again. So I'm thinking of a project down the road of taking that out. But what I do want to do today is replace the side markers. Let me turn this camera and show you. Here are the side markers that are on it. This one broke while I was power washing it. I hit it with the brush and there's one over this side. And if you watch this, since the day I got it, if you tap it, it comes on. The circuit has broken that. So I'm going to replace the 6 side markers on the side. Everything else is working brilliant. I gotta be honest, I'm very happy with the lighting. Their indicators up there, they work. The awning lights work. As you can see, everything on the back is okay. Originally, we were gonna wrap this van or spray it, so I did. There was flashing lights here and I just managed to fit these. I'm not really happy with that, but there's a big gaping hole there, so we leave it for the minute. But everything else, I love the front, the Charlie and me all lit up. I'm very happy with the way the Charlie and me turned out on the front. So we're going to replace them. I could not find they're bulbs, they're not LEDs, but I could not find orange marker lights anywhere. There's a local hydraulic supply shop here in Carriganshire and they supply things for trucks and tractors and they've every foreseeable colour of side marker and flashers, but no amber. So I was waiting 3 weeks and they came in. This is roughly the same length. So I just don't want to go having to re-drill holes and stuff. And it's an amber side marker. So I got 6 of them. They were a wee bit pricey. The whole 6 came in at €76 and some odd cent. But I think it's going to make a difference. So I'm not going to film the whole thing. I'm going to turn the camera one more time and show you the passenger side now. And then I'll take a few photographs and I'll insert them into the video. And then I'll show you the whole thing when it's finished. Now, if you recall back when we started stripping this ambulance, when we got it first back in 2020, I had said to you, oh my God, the van build is fantastic. The ambulance build, glued, nailed, stapled, welded, gaffer taped, everything was held together. And it was a fantastic build and the company were Wilker in Clara, in County Offaly. Take a look at this. It's not even, like, it's just twisted together. This is the joint when I pulled the light out. I mean, I had full intention of doing heat shrink and soldering, and look at this. That's not good. Okay, so one side done. It took about half an hour. Now they're taking about 10 to 15 minutes each, but on average, I don't think I was 40 minutes. I think they look well. Better than what was on it anyway. So I'm just going to go and attack the other side now. So the second 3 were a little bit more awkward than the first. The one at the very end, the terminals, the cable was so black it wouldn't take solder, so I ended up crimping them. The one here at the driver's side at the front, the cables were very short, but we got it. All in all, it's a good job. Let me turn the camera and show you how the amber side lights look. Now, they were a bit on the expensive side. As I said, they came in at about 76 quid each, so it was a little over 20 quid each, is that right? 2, 4, 16, no, a little over 16, about 16 quid each. But they look well. I'm happy with it. Will I turn off these lights in? That'll make much of a difference. It's a beautiful day. It's freezing cold, but it's a beautiful day. So the next thing I need to do is to sort out the diesel heater, because even though the summer's coming in, there's no point having a diesel heater. Actually, they look very well. There's no point having a diesel heater and the flipping thing don't work. So I'm not going to do it today. Today's an early day. I was planning on working on the solar on the van project 2, the Overlander. I'm having problems with that, so I'm going to take the BeeBaw out and pull that in, and sure, that's another video. Anyway, thank you for watching HYMER camping vlog, the van build, the BeeBaw update on the Wednesday. If you're heading out camping, mind how you go, and if you come across us, please do come over and say hi. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.